Hey everyone, if you're seeing an unexpected error message in AppFlowy, pages won't open, workspaces fail to load, or certain features suddenly stop working, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common AppFlowy unexpected error problems in 2026. First, refresh AppFlowy and try opening the page or workspace again. Temporary loading issues can sometimes trigger unexpected errors that disappear after a refresh. Next, completely close AppFlowy and restart the application. Many temporary glitches are resolved simply by reopening the app and reconnecting to your workspace. Another common fix is checking your internet connection if you're using AppFlowy Cloud. Several reported unexpected errors are related to synchronization and missing cloud data between devices. Make sure you're running the latest version of AppFlowy. Updates frequently include bug fixes and stability improvements that resolve known errors and workspace issues. And that's how to fix AppFlowy unexpected errors in 2026. In most cases, updating the app, completing synchronization, restarting the application, and checking for data sync issues will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.